Hello students. Now LP4 we are going to discuss space travel. Aim of the LP4 is to narrate stories of humans expedition to the space. So what is space? Space means the area beyond the earth. Okay. From the earth what we are seeing, that sky, this all na, that is the space we can call. Okay. There are inner space and outer space, students. So inner space means whatever the atmosphere is there na, that is inner space. So beyond that atmosphere we can call as outer space. Okay. So uh, do you know the who we have traveled into the space also? That on 12th of April in 1961, Yuri Gagarin, he is a person, he is an astronaut, became the first human to journey into the outer space. Okay, when his spacecraft uh, was stopped, completed an orbit of the earth, right? So he is the Yuri Gagarin, he is the first human to journey into the outer space. Okay, so why do people travel to the space? Do you know? What did the early explorers want to learn? So students, their interest, they want to know about the space. What is space? And what is there any air is there, can we survive in the space? These all things, this curiosity led them to travel into the space. Okay, so firstly, who was the first living thing to send to the space? Actually, a dog named Laika. Okay, it is a dog named Laika was the first living being to send into the space. Okay, and then the Yuri Gagarin was the first human to go into the space. Okay, if the first living being means, it is a dog Laika which is sent into the space. Human being who was means, he was a Yuri Gagarin. Okay, he sent into the space out. He traveled around the earth also. And do you know, from the India, Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go to the space. He spoke to the prime, then at that time who was the prime minister? The prime minister of India. From there he spoken to the prime minister. Okay, and then Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to go to the space. Kalpana Chawla, she was a first Indian to go to the space, but unfortunately she died as the spacecraft crashed before landing back on the earth. Okay, and Sumita Williams, she was also a Indian. She holds a world record for walking into a space for longest time. Means she orbit around the earth and she spent more time, longest time she spent in the space. So this is her record, ma. So do you know who can go space? Can go? Can you can go? No, actually the astronauts, it is a study, ma. You have to study the astronaut, you have to become the astronaut. So astronauts have to take a lot of training before going to the space research organization like NASA. It will decide who can go to the space. Now at present, the America and Russia, they were the pioneers in the field of the space research. Means most of the research will be held by the America and Russia only. But what is the good thing? India is actively involved in the space, in the field of this space research, right? So space expedition, is it, how it is helpful to us? Has it helped us? Yes, of course. This space expedition, if we have, it has created new technologies which have changed our life in many ways. So now people can dream of and nowadays the people, they are dreaming about a holiday in the space, they can spend there like that. They have been given as the insight that what is space. We came to know that there is no air in the space, right? If we can't survive without air, so there is no air in the space. So how the people will be there, ma'am? People will like float in the space, and there is no gravity, so there is no air, nothing. If the no air is there, there is no gravity, people cannot walk, they will float, right? how we will float if any paper or something in the water, no, like that they will float. And they cannot hear. If I am talking to you, you cannot hear in the space because air is not there, then how can the sound will travel? And studying about the other planets also, it is helped us, right? We came to know about better about the other planets, what is there, are any. Still also the scientists, they are searching more and more about the other planets. They are getting the information about the other planets. Is life is possible on the other planets? Still now we don't know whether it is there is a life in the other planets apart from the earth. So we came to know about that our planet is very better compared to others, right? So this is about the space travel. Now open your volume 3 page number 41, write today's date, student. And imagine that you were a good friend of Kalpana Chawla and knew this about her. So you have to read the paragraph which is given upside. Born in Karnal, India in 1961, studied astronautical engineering and aerospace engineering. Started to work for NASA in 1988. Joined NASA's astronaut program in 1994. First sent to space in 1997. Stayed there for about 375 hours. Said, when you look at the stars and the galaxy, you feel that you are not just from any particular piece of the land, but from the solar system. Dead in her second expedition in the space shuttle Columbia. Role model for many women in India. So student, this is about the Kalpana Chawla. So you have to write a speech on her to motivate the students. So you are a friend of Kalpana Chawla and you know very well about her now by reading this. You have to include 5 facts from her life. Okay, from the above points you have to give a speech of Kalpana Chawla and you have to motivate the students. So that speech you have to write here. Would you like to travel to the space? You have to give one reason. Do you want to go to the space? Why? That you have to write the reason here. If you are saying yes, write the reason. If you are saying no also, then you have to write the reason. Third answer is, how do space expedition help us? So many people they are traveling now also. So 3 astronauts are there in the space. They are orbiting the earth. Then why should we have to go for the expedition? How it is helped us? That you have to write the third answer. Here we have completed the block 24. Next week, that is last block 25, we will complete it in the next week.